Cool little project.
This is 75 Built with another nice ride. We're at Duck Foot Brewery today for the Rigs and Brews Toy Drive event. This nice ride is a killer 1971 VW Bus Westfalia Edition that Bryson and his wife own. This is such a cool nice ride. With a Subaru Brat Engine Swap, this Type 2 Baywindow is cranking out slightly faster highway speeds than it used to. It was given the nickname Rustfalia, and it has a great deal of personality and history behind it. It's evident that this family intends to do a lot more experiences and adventures to this nice ride. Okay, let's check out some of the Rustfalia's features up close and go inside.
How are you doing? My name is Bryson Milligan. This is my wife and I. This is our 1971 VW Bus Type 2 Baywindow Westfalia Edition. We just acquired it not so long ago from one of our friends. Really cool deal about how we got it, but my wife's dream car has always been a VW Bus. It's just something that she's always wanted, and us being able to come across it and get it for what we did, it was a really cool deal for us. The original owners named it the Rustfalia. A little spin off from the Westfalia because it does have rust on it. It's been used and fly on the wall, and they're like, just listen to what the stories this thing's been through, from its time in Montana, its time in Arizona, and then going down to Baja. We found pesos in there. We found a map of Baja from all the surf spots from one of the original owners. We've been part of this overland community, so kind of want to lift it up a little bit, put a little aggressive tires on it, but overall she's gonna stay as she is.
Want to show us the interior?
Yeah, so this is actually all the original interior that came in 1971 with this Westfalia Edition. This bed right here folds into a seat, goes all the way back. We have a pop-up that's original with a cot that came stock with the actual this model, and they call it kids cot. So one person can sleep up there, two people can sleep right here, and then another really cool feature that came with original with it is this cot up here. They call it kids cot or a luggage cot.
That's awesome.
And we have two young boys, and this is like one of their favorite spots right here, is to sit up here on the front.
No doubt. Really cool. Is that easy to set up?
Yeah, it's easy to set up. All it is, you just has four little brackets to go around. You just kind of pop that off, move it down, and it comes right out, folds up, and we just store it right next to the fishing poles. Yep. No way. Okay. I'm waiting. Well, Erica's not going to come back. What if she does? That means she doesn't. What if she were? I'm like, I want my home girl. Whatever it's definitely a project that we're taking on, and so it'll be a fun project that we're going to be working on throughout the years. Getting the boys into working on vehicles, helping me out with the restoration on it. But the cool thing is, like, it came completely original. A lot of the original things that was sold with it in 1971 are still here with it. So it was, previous owners really loved it. They've done a lot of really cool, neat upgrades throughout the years to it. They added propane heater built into it now. It has solar built on the top. It has a Subaru upgrade done in the motor, so it's not your VW bus motor anymore. It's a Subaru motor, so we can actually go 65 instead of 55 miles per hour, which is great.
Can we check that out?
Yeah, so back here is let me get the key for it. Dude, I love
bumpy.
We got it pretty much day before Thanksgiving.
No!
Yeah, it was a deal that just it happened.
So was it already like this?
Yeah, this is original Westfalia, 1971.
What's that? Where did you get it?
San Diego, a friend of ours had it.
Really? Because I've seen this, like the radiator on the top. I've seen this thing before.
Yeah, so the guy had it. It's originally from LA. It was sold originally at a VW dealership in LA in the late 70s. And it's lived most of his life up there. Then it went to Montana where it was out there for a while with the same owner. That's where it got all the rust from. And then from there they took it down to Arizona. And they just played it in Arizona, so it stayed out there with that same owner for a long time. Came back to California, and supposedly he got into surfing and set this all up and went surfing. Like when we bought it, we found pesos, we found it's been everywhere, and he really, like, the original owner took it everywhere. And the cool thing about this, so that original owner too, in late '80, they did a Subaru swap in this.
No wonder I thought the carb's different.
Yeah, so this is a Subaru motor in here, and this is rumored to be one of the very first buses to have the Subaru motor put into it in the 80s. And this is an 81 Subaru Brat motor, liquid cooled.
But you can also load a bike on a carrier in the rear.
So it's lived an amazing life, and we just want to keep on taking it on and do little fix-ups here and there, but this will be with us forever. And the cool thing is, like, a lot of it's just all original. Like, the interior's all original. They've done, the guys
Oh, it's badass, man.
really took care of this thing. Thank you.
Enjoy, keep enjoying it.
Oh, we will. The boys absolutely love this thing.
Yeah. I'll keep running forever.
Yeah.
And they all have seatbelts? All right, you got seatbelts back here? Nice.
So unfortunately, it's really hard. I want to try finding the original VW seatbelt.
Yeah.
This one is no longer the original. They put a GM one in there. But the original one's just really cool, old school looking style seatbelt. Yeah, so there's two seatbelts right here. Originally there was a jump seat right here that had a seatbelt too. So that's like the only thing we're taking out and putting back to original is that jump seat.
Wow.
But outside of that, like, here's the refrigerator right here. It has a sink that. Sorry, there's money here from the kids. But it works. You just sit here and pump it.
Brilliant.
It has a 7-gallon water tank in here. And then down here it's like just storage. We have a bunch of stuff in here.
Got some duckies.
Yep, duckies, kid stuff,
Baby wipes.
baby wipes, all the good stuff. And then here is the refrigerator.
Oh, look at that.
Right now we're using that storage, but and it works as a propane refrigerator. The only downside to the propane, you have to be level in order for the refrigerator to work.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a cool little setup in here. Like all the stuff that it has. This is originally on it too. So.
I found my bike. It was.
Hey, is that a mini ride?
Hey, show off the mini ride, Donovan. Show the mini ride. Show it.
Hey, is that a mini ride?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, it also has an open back. And 2 wheels on the top. Also, it has 1 wheel on the front inside. It is fancy. This
Very cool.
Mine.
Is that your mini ride?
Hello.
Very cool.
And then like that, it goes back to the vehicle. You drive away.
What's the story with the rat
I have a
up
new.
front?
I have
So
one.
it was the original owner. So over time, they started sewing this rust in there. So he actually added a rat here,
And a rat at the back.
and we got a few more rats sticking out
Oh, there's
of
more
the
than-
rust.
More than just 2.
Woo!
And we got this guy right here.
That's all good.
Hey, is that a rat? That's a rat too. Nice. It's a cool vehicle with a lot of history. It has its character and its quirks. And it's been with my family for a long time. So.
For more nice rides, subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at 75built. If you have a friend or family member with a nice ride you'd like featured, let us know today. We would love to capture it and immortalize it in a video like this.